Single-use plastic water bottle cause environmental pollution. Therefore, we have created water-storing edible water bottles. These can be consumed directly while drinking the water. Ingredients: 10 grams of soaked agar-agar, 1 cup wheat flour, half cup corn flour powder. If you need color, you can add beetroot juice as a natural food color. Put the pan on the stove burner. Boil 2 cups of water. Add agar-agar. Heat the mixture for 15 minutes. Heat the mixture for 15 minutes. After heating the mixture and drain it. Our preparation is ready. Filter this and keep it in a separate bowl. Add wheat powder and then add corn flour powder. Add the water and mix it well. Create a smooth lump-free paste. And then create a thin pellets. Create a thinner layer of these fills by placing them on chapati tray. Then we will finish it. Okay. Our preparation is ready. Transfer the balls and the pan on the microwave oven. Heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Our preparation is ready. After that, take a syringe and fill it with water and inject into the balls. Our chewable water balls are ready. Instead of plastic bottle, we use it. Thank you.